We can add a little lick of that down there as well. And I'm feeling the need to make these ears a bit bigger on the foreground animal. So going back to my flat brush, just grabbing some of the burnt umber again, and I think that ear could do with coming down even further than I've got it, especially near the head. And on the left, I think it could do with coming down to there. And widening it there a touch. And then I'm just going to grab that highlight colour again. And we'll put a little highlight on the left side of that ear. We need a little bit more white in there. I think that's working rather better than it was. And then a little bit of artistic license. I'm going to just put a very pale, sorry, not very pale, very thin, pure white highlight there around that nostril. Then another one just around the corner of there. A little touch there of the eye, top of the ear. It's perhaps a little bit too much there, but I think it's okay. Just put a couple of wispy bits on top. Another tiny little highlight here over that nostril. Pure ultramarine blue now. I just want to fill in that little gap there. And then a little bit of artistic license. We're just going to put a few very narrow lines along the back here. Just to make that stand out a little bit. And what I'll do is just continue those little textural lines down into the white stripe, just a few. I think that just makes the back stand out a little better. And then this is a dark green mixed up with ultramarine blue and cad yellow light, and then a little touch of cadmium red. And I just want to adjust the line of the belly of the animal here with this shadow colour. And so that that's not too obvious an outline of the belly. I'll add some crisscross marks so that suggesting shadows in the grass. And then titanium white, cad yellow light, and cerulean blue. And now it's looking a little bit more like he's standing in the long grass there.